How to do it. Let me show you how to do it.
Hi guys, so in today's video we're unboxing this KINGBOLEN's. This is a diagnostic tool for cars. It's a very easy to use tool that I'm going to be showing you guys. It's a smart scan tool, has a lot of features in there. They do make great products, so if you check out their website, they do have a lot of different types of products that they offer, including the ones, some of them they have subscription involved, so you can get a lot of more out of your tools if you subscribe to their services. So this one does not require any kind of subscription. This has free updates for lifetime, and let's take a look what's inside. And I did some research before I picked this up, and has a lot of good reviews on this. I needed something for my old cars, something that I can rely on and do some diagnostic if needed. So as soon as you open the box, you can see a nice mega screen and connector right there. Some connectors right there, power. It's a really nice screen. Let's take a look at what else comes with it. So of course the manual is there, and this is just to keep the humidity away. So one thing I would recommend is don't throw these away. When you're storing this product, it's especially if you live in a humid environment. I'm in Florida, so these things keeps the moisture out of the box. So always a good idea to just leave them in the box. Comes with the USB-C, so that's good to know that they don't come with the old USB mini or micro, whatever. But they come with the USB-C, so the newer style. And of course the OBD2 serial port connector. So this is what we're going to be using to connect our car to this thing right there. So it's very easy, just like the old school computer type serial ports that you can connect to. Alright, and then you just make sure you screw it in. And then once you're connected to this thing, you can power it on. So right now you can see it does have battery built in, so this is the charging cable for this. And nice graphics. I'm already liking it. So much better than my old diagnostic tool that I used to have. Still have it, just don't use it as often. So I'm hoping this one is going to be a game changer for me. So, see, it's touch screen, and the response is very good. I can already see. It might not have all the areas, but I'm gonna just do New York, since I'm in New York time zone. And it tells me to add my Wi-Fi, so I'm gonna go ahead and add that. Let me put my password in. But see available network, turn Wi-Fi on. Okay, so go ahead and click that on. I'll try it one more time. There you go. So now it did connect. I guess since I was connecting for the first time, it had some kind of glitch, but now you can see that it did connect, and it tells you, see the oil, brake, as a CTS, supported system software, and these are all the features. So if I click on update, it talks about different types of you know, available software that it has for everything else, you know. So you can select all, or you know, you can update whatever you want. So different types of vehicles that they have: Ford, Kia, Mazda. A lot of different types of vehicles, which is amazing. Let's see. Toyota Lexus. So I'm going to go ahead and update that for Toyota Lexus. I can try it on my Lexus. Right now it's downloading the software from the website. So that's one of the good part is that you can update it on the fly, and it works out good that way. Just have to be patient, you know, for it to finish whatever it's doing. Alright, so I guess you just press this and it comes back up. So depending on, you know, I don't want to download and update everything because I don't have all these cars, so only do the one that you guys do have available. So let's see if it has, what other cars does it have? It says oil maintenance reset, so I guess it's gonna apply on all the any cars, I guess. Mitsubishi, Mercedes-Benz, Mazda, Maserati, Land Rover, Kia, a lot of cars. Honda, Acura, GM. I'm gonna do it for my Chevy Volt, Ford. For my F-150, I'm gonna do this one. Electrical throttle relearn, that's good to have. Brake reset is good to have. Auto search is good to have. Alright, so I'm just doing the once update. So I'm gonna let it update, and once the update is complete, then I'm gonna connect it to a car and see how things work. Okay, so now I'm ready to connect this to the car. So we're gonna take our OBD connector and find out in our car it's normally under the dash, and I'm gonna go ahead and connect it to this port. Turn the car on. And we're gonna turn this on. Okay, so diagnostic, let's see. So this is a Lexus. Let's see if I can find it. There you go, Lexus. See, on top it shows the battery voltage stuff there as well. Okay. You can even look at the diagnostic history and things like that. Alright. Okay, so I'll click on home. Okay. So you can go into maintenance, brake, and I'm just playing around with these. I don't really know what this is. For full function progress not successful, performed special function menu. Okay. It talks about different types of. You have to select your model. Oil reset is right there. It has a lot of features. I mean, I'm kind of amazed with all the stuff it does have. Okay, let's go back and see what's in the repair info. Fault code library. They also have videos and stuff like that. Okay, so you can type in your fault code if you're getting one, and it'll tell you what exactly that is. Okay. Report. I don't know what those are. You can also use these to go up and down if for some reason you're wearing gloves and your touch is not working because of that. You can use any of these, and then press OK to select whatever you want, and this is the go back, which is pretty cool. Alright, so it has a lot of features. I don't have any error codes on my car, so of course it's not going to read any error codes anyways. So but I did wanted to show you guys how it works, how the device is, and as you can see, since I'm outside the house, it's still connected to the Wi-Fi, and shows 7:53 a.m. today's Sunday, but it doesn't show the date for some reason. Alright, that's it, guys. Overall, I definitely give this thing a thumbs up. It's a very well-made product, and I love it so far. I think it's a great product. So with that, definitely a thumbs up to this. I don't know what this is on the side. So this is where the USB connector charging and the memory card and stuff like that goes. But yeah, definitely a thumbs up. Great product. Well made. For a sturdy environment. I mean, it's just very sturdy for to be used outside and things like that. So definitely a plus for that. So guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and like the video.